Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable SeeColors Mode for Colorblind on Samsung S7 ViewFinity. Let's begin. You need to go to the menu button, menu panel, and you go there by pressing the power button on the back, going up and pressing menu. Here you can find a bunch of different options. You want to go to System. And here you scroll down until you see Accessibility options. You click those, and here the very first option you will see is SeeColors Mode. When you click it, you can choose between a bunch of different options. For example, if you have protanopia, and you don't have trouble perceiving the color red, you should choose one of these options, depending on, well, how bad is it. So, for example, I will set it to protanopia 30. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.